Pry open the display frame. Unscrew the display screen hardware bracket fixing screw. Remove the hardware bracket. Unscrew the button panel fixing screws on both sides of the display screen. Remove both panels. Unscrew the display screen fixing screw and take out the display screen. Pry open the decorative strips on both sides of the central control. Pry open the air conditioner control panel. Unscrew the control panel fixing screw. Remove the panel. Phonetic transcription CD host fixing screw. Remove the host. Transfer host power cord. Host back. Mount our hardware bracket. Secure the bracket screw. Remove the original vehicle display. Unscrew the fixing screw. Take out the circuit board. Unscrew the small plate fixing screw. Remove the platelet. Unscrew our hardware frame fixing screws. Install the original vehicle's PCB into our metal bracket. Fixing screw. Load the original car. Large circuit board. Fixing screw. Install the cover. Secure the screw. Socket cable. Plug in power cord. Panel button cable. Mount the metal bracket to the back of the display. Fixing screws around. Pair the left button cable. Power cable. Snap the clip into place. Plug in power cord. Connect the red connector to the red one and the green to the green. Let's take a look at the effect after installation.